Oh!
Rachel's trying to tell you.
The saga begins.
You're gonna peck your eyes out.
Straight at you.
Yeah.
Where? Leo's got it.
Shot second. In your face.
Yeah.
I don't have any shells.
You can't hit him.
Oh, it's Jim. My son.
Oh! Come back with the bird! Yes! Let's see what the brown dog said. Y'all be ready. Y'all be ready.
Travis.
Brown dog said somebody home.
Yeah, hey!
All right, I can catch you for that one.
Good job, Rachel.
Hey, that was a cockbird, Ray. Yeah. That's all right. I take back everything bad I said about that white dog.
He said he was there.
Who is your daddy?
There you go, Rachel.
Come on, girl.
Look at that, Ray.
I did it, Dad.
Let me take your picture with holding him up.
Hold him like that. Hold his feet. He ain't gonna bite you now.
We marked him,
You're gonna
right?
peck your eyes out.
Travis, I don't think you were quite ready.
Well,
He went to the left
he
hard.
went to her side.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
You got him, Ray?
Yeah.
Good job.
dogs
Ray.
went right to it.
It's still
They went right
He
down
did.
to it.
Like you said, he said he knew somebody was home.
No.
Now you got to carry the big bird.
That's right.
How'd that feel? Huh?
It's gonna be moving around.
What did that feel like when you shot him? That was pretty easy.
shot, what happened?
I don't know.
He got shook up.
I wasn't expecting him to be that big.
Yeah. Goes Travis. You got him?
I didn't.
You get him?
One just flew out this way too. Did you see that one?
I didn't see that.
Shot out this way.
All right, let's shoot him. Wait, shoot.
He's looking right at him.
He got up.
No.
Did it.
One of them did. It might be another one.
Watch your logs, watch your logs.
Come on. There you go, Rachel. Ah, he shot.
Got a whole covey in the woods.
Man.
Well, I told you I wanted to get up close in here,
Yeah.
but no, that's like you gotta pick a way you can get as close to the dog. Casey, be ready. He's hurt. Come on, Coco, do your magic, baby.
He just went down. Got him, Travis. Good job.
All right, I'm gonna teach your dad something. You remember cats, right? The big bird hunter. Yeah. He used to go to England every year for opening a red-legged partridge. Well, chuckas and redlegs are first cousins. European bird, the chukka is the Eurasian bird, Turkey, Libya, that area more in Asia, where the European birds, the redlegs, they look the same. The redlegs look a little more quailish, while the chukka's got that hook beak. The quail is theirs is even. There's even, and a little difference in the coloration.
He's definitely on point.
Yeah.
Travis, put that.
In my pocket. Get it out, Dad.
It's fine.
No, it's moving its head. Dad, it blinked.
It blinked.
It's moving its head.
If it flies out of there, Travis will shoot it.
It's moving.
And then he'll get one.
It's moving its
Yeah.
All right, get ready.
He is alive. He is a
Oh!
Rachel tried to tell you. Rachel tried to tell you.
There's a pheasant on the ground over here.
It just jumped down my pocket.
It jumped out of Rachel's
Rachel tried to tell you. Kick it in the head. Kick it in the head. Rachel tried to tell you. Clucking. Rachel tried to tell you. You wouldn't listen.
Come out of the pocket.
Yeah. All right, Rachel, come here. Rachel, you get him coming back this way.
Where did my pheasant go?
Over here.
Did I get that?
You tried to tell him the quail was a lie. I mean, the plus, your dad thought you were nuts. Don't shoot him on the ground.
Where's my pheasant?
He wouldn't believe you. He said, if he gets out, Travis can kill one. I knew he was alive because I looked down in your pocket and I said,
Come over here. I got the bird. I got the bird.
you.
Coco got it for you.
No, it's flapping.
Coco got it for you.
She
She saved the day.
And Dad goes, it's not a lie. Calm down. Good job, Coco. It's not a lie.
Hey, let me tell you.
Over here in this common hedgerow. So,
Life in the
all
day
right,
of dawn.
let's cut back on this cut and work that backside. Because I still think we got 2 or 3 birds that were set out for us that we haven't found. Because we just been running all over creation after everything. But it's been paying off. Come to her. Get him!
Get him, there you go.
There you go, son.
Good. Now that's the way to shoot,
That's
son.
the way to shoot, son. That's right. Dad over here coming. Where have you been all day? Dad, right here. Dad.
That's the way to shoot.
You brought that shooting with you all day.
I do not
See
know.
how far that bird was? That's about where you want to drop it.
She was birdie as heck, wasn't she?
All right.
How about that, Rachel?
Hold your ground, hold your ground.
Yep. Right here at the tree. Oh, get it, get him, get him.
Tough shot.
Yeah, it was. He's looking right at that bird.
All right, y'all see me?
He's locked up tight.
Watch her, watch her, watch her.
Get him, Rachel, get him, Rachel.
You didn't have 2 shells in a gun.
What did the man tell you when we left the truck?
I know.
Get him, Rachel, get him.
Slide up a little bit.
Travis, move up.
Come on. This might be a big bird. Shoot it! Oh! Oh! Oh, it's down a heart failure. Come on, get reloaded.
Did you get it?
She shot over the top of it there. Rachel.
It went down.
Oh my God. Wait.
Sorry. Get him right there.
Holy crap, we got
There, I
him.
got one.
Out.
Shot, I didn't have a camera running. Good shot, Rachel. I didn't have a camera because he got up so quick.
Rachel, you're still shooting high.
Out, right out.
She's saying it's right there.
She won't leave it either. See, there could be a bird that got down and just got
Yeah,
under this.
look at her.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Come on. You don't believe me? You don't believe me?
You can pick him up.
She said was right there.
That bird ain't gonna fly.
How about that?
Dead bird.
That's a dead bird.
How about
It's
that?
now our bird.
Well, let's put it this way. It's still a good bird. And I'm gonna tell you, when I find a bird like this, first thing I do is look at his eyes. If his eyes are milky and sunk in, then the first thing is start deteriorating when the bird dies. His eyes are still glossy and all that and haven't sunk in. So we may have hit this bird this morning or shot it and didn't find
How
it.
about that? Scout
All
thing
them
was
was
right
way
there.
laying it going.
Right.
I'm gonna tell you that dog. She
Said
gonna
it was
point.
right there.
If she says the bird there, she will not leave.
Yeah, she was sitting down,
And
like she was
on,
telling
I
you.
mean,
Yeah.
I reached in and I'm like, okay. No. No. Yeah.
Let me see what you got. Well, you got the chuckle.
Dad, you chucker right here.
Hey.
Look at the feet.
Where do you
It's weird, ain't it?
And I got a little big quail. Shut that down to the bone. So,
Cool.
that's a fun experience.
There you go.
They're zombie birds. They might come
Here
back
we
to
go.
life.
You ready? Smile.
Zombies.
I see them up blurs. All right, I got y'all.
Let me check that, Dad.
Hold on, Rachel. Let me get a picture with this
That's
camera.
just the zombie bed.
I can get a picture with this camera on your pheasant. All right, you should have had.
Fur, and that's the only way you can tell whether it's a
I
male
got
or
mine
female.
across the foot.
But that's just a pad in the toes. We're talking maybe down here on the ankle, so it's kind of hard to tell. But that's not.
These are the New Yorkers. That's from Jersey.
Are you gonna
This
eat them,
is
Travis?
Your mother's gonna
No, I'm
ecstatic.
gonna release them into the wild.
I don't think they
Good
got a
luck.
good.
I'll bite his head off. What mess with me?
Pheasant selfie.
Snapchat.
Sometimes you're good eating. You get somebody know how to cook them,
Hawk
and bake
coming
it,
in looking for him one.
and put it in front of you. You think you're eating Cornish?
Killed 13 quail. How many chuckles?
3.
3 chuckles
And one pheasant.
and 1 pheasant.